So usually first thing in the morning, I will get on to the computer and check out the charts, look at any news that may be coming out, check out what the top gainers of the day are, and then kind of start getting a trading plan set up for our day. So I'm going to take you along for a part of that. Welcome. This is what I see on a normal basis. This is behind the scenes of our live and our trading station. So we have the webcam right here. This is where you guys see me, and I look in and do all my recordings. This is my main screen right here. Microphone, obviously, and this is where we take the majority of our trades. And then I have a secondary screen here looking at the top gainers for the day, aftermarket, pre-market, etc., as well as volume, active volume. And then right here I have another one that showcases you, and that's where I do my live streaming for our YouTube channel. So yeah, very cool. We throw the live chat room right here in this next little window. We'll put the live stream when we are live, and you guys get to communicate, talk, and say what's up to me and other like-minded individuals. Behind us, we got the backdrop here, soundproof boarding, the chair, gotta love it. And then we have our whiteboard, which has our daily goals, weekly targets, daily targets, etc. So yeah, that's our studio. Not bad, cool little setup, easy. Got that mouse there and mat, trading mat. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Some of you guys were asking kind of what it looks like, and since this is somewhat of a day in the life video, thought we'd include it. So when it comes to having a trading plan and overall tracking my entries and my exits, I use something simple like this. It is a trading journal. Basically just has notes and things in it to help me with some better entries, exits, is how I did, how I felt that day, profits, losses, to help with the journey. So yeah, I think I recommend having a trading journal. Definitely available to write down those thoughts. Another couple things that I like to do before entering into a trade and kind of just getting set up for the morning before actually taking a trade is looking at the overall goals and my actions for the year. I think that's very important to look at when first waking up, not only for yourself in as far as trading, but in overall daily life as well. So another one is our actual affirmations. These are things that I like to tell myself every single day. So I only trade A+ setups. I wait for confirmation before taking a trade. I always invest small amounts at first. I average up, not down. I need to work on that one. These are things I need to work on. Make every trade count. I make $200 every day trading stocks. I average up, not down. I make $200 a day trading stocks. And I say that a few times, and I just get in that groove and I get in that zone and I'm getting pumped up to make my first trade. So let's go ahead and get back into the rest of the video and show you some live trades. It'll break out, go up, retest for just a moment, and then break out to new highs. By having even just 100 shares down at $2 and selling at highs of $3, you could have made $100. 1,000 shares, $1,000. Very simple math, made over $200. Another solid green day, up over $200 on the day. Check it out here, $200. And very nice setup here. It touched here at this point, came down to support, and I sold when it touched back up at that resistance level. Very beautiful day, made over $200, and it's only 7:15 in the morning. The market is not even open yet, and we've already locked in $200. So great day. If you guys want to watch that, definitely check out our live stream in our Learn to Earn live stream playlist section on YouTube. Going to the store, get some stuff to barbecue, grill. It's a beautiful day out. Might as well take advantage before winter comes. Great feeling to be able to trade every day, wake up and do whatever you want. Right now we're walking around the yard, enjoying the day, and yeah, up $200. And now we get to relax and just hang out. So yeah, very nice day today, just enjoying the breeze and enjoying the backyard. A lot of shade, and yeah, it's nice to be able to get out of the office, or you know, away from the trading station for a little while and just think about the trades and breathe in and take in all the air and energy. Man, it's an amazing opportunity to be able to wake up every day and make money trading stocks. Don't have to worry about working or clocking in, not having a schedule. Pretty much just do whatever I want all day. Man, it's awesome. So just another beautiful day out here, taking it all in, enjoying the day. Kids are at school, so just gonna wait for them to get home, and then we'll throw some stuff on the grill and get the night started, hanging out and just having some family time with everyone. What's going on, guys? Johnny Trades here, and we are gonna get into more of these vlog style videos. We just wrapped up a amazing week trading, up over $300 this week in profits. Came out to this place here, Club 14 in Trinidad, and gonna drink a beer and have a burger. Another successful day trading, so we are out celebrating another green week here at Club 14 in Trinidad.
It just drops dead.